value dance and sway. So value night and day.
Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCatus. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. The first is, Robinhood stock hit an all-time high after launching a tokenized US stocks and ETFs trading service in Europe, built on the Arbitrum blockchain. The service covers over 200 assets, including exclusive access to private companies like OpenAI and SpaceX, and offers 24/7 commission-free trading. The company also plans to develop a dedicated RWA Layer 2 chain to accelerate the integration of traditional finance with the crypto ecosystem. Robinhood's idea of tokenizing US stocks is not a sudden whim. As USD stablecoins gradually gain market attention, companies inside and outside the crypto space have begun to see US stocks as the next target. At the end of May, US cryptocurrency exchange Kraken announced that it would offer tokenized popular US stocks to non-US customers. On June 18, Coinbase's chief legal officer Paul Grewal revealed that the company is seeking SEC approval to launch its tokenized stock service. US stock tokenization is gradually becoming an explicit business. At a June 27 White House press briefing, President Donald Trump praised Bitcoin's positive impact on the US economy, calling it a blessing for the nation. He highlighted its role in job creation and increasingly common payment use cases, noting it takes a lot of pressure off the dollar. Trump also stressed the need for the US to maintain leadership in digital assets to stay competitive with China.
That sounds pretty good.
Next news. Amid recent market volatility, Hyperliquid has emerged as a focal point with a record-breaking 1.5 trillion in on-chain derivatives trading volume and its token HYPE surging past 45. Analysts note that if HYPE reaches a conservative target of 76, its fully diluted valuation would approach 84% of Solana's. To sustain higher valuations and truly compete with SOL in the long run, the Hyperliquid ecosystem urgently needs to incubate killer apps on par with Solana's standout project, Pump Fun.
Wow.
SoDEX, a high-performance trading chain incubated by AI research platform SoSoValue, officially launched its testnet at 8 o'clock in the evening, Hong Kong time on July 2. The testnet is now open for whitelisted users to begin simulated trading and compete for the largest SOSO reward pool in history. Starting July 2, SoDEX will notify new batches of whitelisted users every Monday at 8 o'clock in the evening via email. All emails for the first batch have already been sent. Whitelisted users can earn points by performing simulated trades, testing strategies, participating in the Lucky Block event, and submitting feedback. These points can be exchanged for SOSO tokens at the end of the campaign. SoDEX is built on ValueChain, a proprietary Layer 1 blockchain developed in-house. It supports both spot and derivatives trading through a fully on-chain order book model, aiming to deliver an efficient, fair, and transparent decentralized trading experience for users of all levels. Each order is verifiable on-chain via the Blockchain Explorer. SoDEX now supports 118 spot trading pairs, including innovative offerings such as tokenized stocks and indexes. As of July 2, over 80,000 users have applied for whitelist access. Those who didn't make it into the first batch can stay tuned for weekly whitelist announcements or complete official SoDEX Twitter tasks to earn access. The whitelist application portal on the SoDEX website will remain open, and an invite code system will also be introduced soon to expand access further. Next news. Bitmine Immersion, dubbed the Ethereum MicroStrategy, saw its stock soar 3,000% in a week to 135 after deploying a $250 million private raise entirely into ETH. Backed by Pantera and Galaxy Digital, and with crypto bull Tom Lee as chairman, BMNR positions ETH as a primary reserve asset and targets protocol-level financial integration. The move signals Ethereum's rise from speculation to an institutional balance sheet, asset potentially forcing traditional investors into ETH exposure and accelerating the shift toward on-chain securities. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.